Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of adjectives. We will explore the meanings and examples of 10 powerful adjectives that can enrich your vocabulary and enhance your communication skills. Stay tuned as we uncover the nuance behind words like priceless, fabulous, nurturing and many more. The very first is priceless. It means extremely valuable or irreplaceable, which is often used to describe something that cannot be measured in monetary terms. For example, her grandmother's necklace is priceless to her because of its sentimental value. Next is fabulous. It means extraordinary, especially extraordinarily large or wonderful. For example, they had a fabulous vacation in the Caribbean, enjoying the stunning beaches and luxurious resorts. Another one is nurturing. It means providing care and encouragement, supportive and fostering growth or development. For example, she is known for her nurturing nature, always helping her students to achieve their best. Another one is versatile. It means able to adapt or be adapted to many different functions or activities. For example, he is a versatile actor who can perform well in both comedies and dramas. Next is eminent. It means famous and respected within a particular sphere or profession. For example, the conference featured several eminent scientists who shared their latest research findings. Another one is evasive. It means tending to avoid commitment or self-revelation, especially by responding only indirectly. For example, when asked about his plans for the company, the CEO gave an evasive answer, leaving everyone unsure of the future. Next is critical. It means expressing adverse or disapproving comments or judgments, involving an analysis of the merits and faults. For example, the critic's review was critical of the film's plot but praised the performances of the lead actors. Next is genuinely interested. It means showing a sincere and true interest. For example, she was genuinely interested in learning about his culture and traditions, asking thoughtful questions throughout the evening. Another one is self-motivated. It means motivated to achieve something because of one's own enthusiasm or interest, without needing pressure from others. For example, as a self-motivated individual, he completed the project well ahead of the deadline without any supervision. And last is goal-oriented. It means focused on setting and achieving objectives. For example, her goal-oriented approach to her career has helped her quickly rise in a leadership position in the company. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of adjectives. We hope you found these examples and explanations insightful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more educational content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.